On a Health Watch tonight, another medical first in Philadelphia. Proton therapy is expanding to treat more kinds of cancer.
A Westchester teenager will be the first patient with Hodgkin's lymphoma to get this revolutionary therapy. 3 on Your Side health reporter Stephanie Stahl is here now with her story. Steph, this is exciting.
Wait until you meet her. She is a remarkable young lady. Tomorrow, she is going to the prom and ready to graduate. And this Westchester senior is also about to make medical history. 18-year-old Danielle Palafero was able to joke about her wig with her best friend. She lost a lot of her hair to chemotherapy, one of the many cruel realities of having cancer.
I love my hair. I used to want to be a hair model, and it's just ironic that I was losing it.
In November, this varsity cheerleader was suddenly feeling sick. A mass in her chest was discovered. She was diagnosed with Hodgkin's lymphoma.
I think it pretty much stopped all of our worlds. I was scared to death for her.
But fear didn't stop this senior at Henderson High School. She kept up with everything during months of grueling chemotherapy and even raised money for a campaign called Kicking Cancer's Butt.
She turned the tables on us, and she actually became the one that was extremely strong.
I just kind of accepted it after a while. I was like, well, I do have it. I can't change it. I gotta fight it.
After chemo, radiation was recommended, but that would increase Danielle's risk for developing breast cancer. The family didn't want to trade one cancer for another. The only other option, the new proton beam therapy at the University of Pennsylvania.
It's very significant in decreasing long-term side effects.
Dr. Bob Lustig at the Roberts Proton Therapy Center says the revolutionary treatment is now expanding to more patients. Danielle will be the first Hodgkin's lymphoma patient to get proton therapy.
This allows you to spare normal tissue. You can shape the beam and aim the beam and not treat anything beyond where you want to treat.
Danielle's treatments don't start until the end of the month. For now, she's focused on graduating, going to college, and the prom in a special dress.
It covered my scars and then my pores. There's definitely times that you get sad and it just kind of hits you, but most of the time you just think of like everyone that loves you.
Everybody does love her. Now, Danielle will get the proton therapy every day for 3 weeks. The treatment is also expanding to treat a variety of recurrent cancers. The Roberts Center has become an international leader, currently hosting a proton conference for hundreds of medical experts here in Philadelphia.